Oh shit.
Are you kidding me?
I'm recording.
Are you really?
Afterwards, we went to get stuck in the box with Cindy. Couple more days for her, she's gone. Oh yeah, we're at Walmart. Lorena, this one's for you. Cheers. Yeah. Oh, Lorena, your favorite. Bacon fries. Tacos. And what else we got, Cindy? Oh, Samantha. You forgot our sour sauce. Oh, curly fries.
Ah, she brought your sour cream.
Oh yeah, sour cream. And I like the song.
She's dumb.
Cindy's leaving.
She's not even drunk. Huh?
When are you leaving again?
The night.
On the 9th. Very sad. Oh, but it's different. Oh, I never ate this.
It's a mozzarella stick.
You want some? Stuck in the box.
Ain't she not drunk? Exactly. So why are you like?
I can be natural and be. She was just kidding on. I don't drink.
Sure.
See you.
Bye.